Welcome to this TIPCHECK tool tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage pictures with the TIPCHECK tool and upload them to your project. So let's go. For this, I prepared a tool tutorial picture references, and we just quickly go to the project summary. And going there, I will show you, which you know from another tutorial, or because you're already quite used on working with the tool. You have the option to upload picture references, which is in fact the names of the pictures of your infrared camera, your external infrared camera you're using. And I will show you today how then, because of this reference, you can upload the pictures from the infrared camera to your laptop, to the TIPCHECK report and to your TIPCHECK project. So in pipe number 1, for example, we started with the reference EIF001, EIF002. Remember, this is the picture name which I gave to these pictures. Usually any infrared camera from any brand will have a kind of name which most likely uses the brand name. Okay, let's go back and save this. And let's go to the summary, because to demonstrate this to you how it works, I just thought it's a good idea to show once more how the reference works. So in the combination 9, which actually looks like this is the combination we are looking at. We have no picture reference here, but just to recall, by clicking on this photo icon, I can note picture reference, and then I need to know what is the number of this combination. So let's go back, and the number is EIF0017. And as this is well prepared, like in any good cooking show, it's also number 17. And remember, if I now click on Note Picture Reference, it automatically counts to the next position. This just to refresh how to work with the picture reference. Now I have all the picture references, and if I print this report, it doesn't look very nice because it shows this rather than the picture. So now we want to upload the pictures. For this, we either close the project, go to Home, and click there in the menu, and I will do this now. Click there in the menu, Upload Pictures, and like this, I get to this functionality. Or the second way to go there is from the project summary. So let's first go there, because in the workflow, this makes somehow sense. You have finished the project, you have inserted all the components, everything is fine. And you are in the summary, you click on Actions, and you click here on Upload Pictures. And it's exactly the same command. What is very important before I start continuing and how you can upload these pictures, there's available pictures 0/50, indicating at the same time, you can only upload up to 50 pictures. Anyway, we do recommend not to create too big projects with too many components, because it's a browser-based tool and it is more stable if there's not so much information in the cache. And the more pictures, remember that you do at least 2, most likely per component. If there's the RGB and the infrared picture, it becomes quite a lot of data. So please remember, if you want to upload more than 50 pictures, you have to do it in 1, 2, 3 steps, depending on 3 steps if it's 150 pixels, for example. But now let's go back and show you the core part of this uploading images. So it opens, and of course then you would need to find where you have saved the pictures from your infrared camera. I prepared this, so it's in my folder, in the image folder for the tutorial. Then you activate by clicking with the left mouse button onto the first picture. Control A marks them all. That's the easiest way to do it. So you click on Control and A on your keyboard, and then you click on Open. And what you can see here is there's 18 references, and the tool will automatically now check for the references. And I click on Open. And after some time, the tool found all the picture which it needs to upload to this project. So we click OK. And also here, you need the more pictures you have. Let's say the less powerful your laptop is, the more time it takes. And nice enough now, if I click on this component, I can see that the pictures from my infrared camera are here. And I can save it. And with this arrow, don't forget, it's quite useful. You can jump from one component to the next and quickly check that all the pictures have been uploaded to the right reference. And here something went wrong. So for this insulated surface, there is no picture uploaded. So let's go and add it to the component. Why is that? Because there was no picture reference here. And then, of course, the tool doesn't know what to upload. And in this case, doesn't upload anything. So either you insert the reference here, or it's also fine that this component is simply recorded without a picture, because maybe the picture on your infrared camera was not well developed, and then it's better to show no picture. The next one is back, and your report is ready. This was it for now. And if you have any further questions on how to work with images and how this management is done by the TIPCHECK tool, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.